Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you where can you find exported videos on CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy and we even can change the folder to export our videos too. So in order to show you, I created this project. As you can see, we have like small project here just for videos. And what if we need to export them? So basically we can just click on export in the right top corner here. Then just click on export, and in a few seconds everything will be done and our video will be like successfully exported. But now where can we find it basically? So we have two solutions. Firstly, of course, we can just close our app and then just open the necessary folder. But if you didn't close this window, we can see the button which is called like open folder, and as you can see our video is right up here. So after that, basically now we can just click and open. But what if we need to like change the folder we need to export or get the name? So in order to do this, we can just close this window with export details and click on export in the right top corner right up here once more. And as you can see, we have some options here on this window, like change the title or like export to. And this line is really important because this path is like, it leads to the folder we need to set as the export folder. So basically this is our export folder path. So if you click on this icon, we can basically see the folder we will export our video to. For example, now it's a folder called ready. So we can change it, for example, change it for desktop and click on open. So now all of our videos will be exported on like desktop. So now if we click on export and wait a few seconds, we can see that our video name is like 03 and something else. So if you open, for example, this page, we can see the video we created right up here. So basically this is the easiest way of how can we find exported videos or find the folder, where do they go. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.